All right, this is our entryway right here. It's baby. So we have this little 6-foot tree. It's only like $23 at Walmart. It's pretty sparse, but I have Dollar Tree tinsel on it. And the scarf at the bottom we're using as a tree skirt that is from the dollar spot. It's really pretty. These Christmas balls, these are like purple sparkles, navy, kind of like a blush, a cream, and there's a silver. Oh, sorry. They are from Hobby Lobby. So on our staircase, here's this little wreath. My husband just like sat it here. There's a little Christmas owl. He's super cute. I just thought it ended up being cute, so we left it. We have a little bit of holly garland going up the stairwell. Now, a lot of our decorations are like older. They are usually like my mom's that she had given me. So, but yeah, so that is our little foyer, and even the topper up there is from Dollar Tree. They had some really cute Christmas decorations. Okay, let's go into the family room. So the family room here, we have this really cute Treats for Santa cookie plate that I just have on a stand, and some cute little candlestick holders. Again, these are probably my mom's from forever ago. My little diffuser. This white placemat is also from Dollar Tree. And then this sign, I just needed to have it. Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas, was from Marshall's. And then this right here, it actually not sings, but it makes music and it spins. That was my mom's. Okay. Over here on our TV stand. Our TV stand is from Bob's. It's got some light up garland. It's just not lit up right now. And then that sign down there is from Dollar Tree. We also have some poinsettias in our bay window. And up at the top, I don't know if you could tell because of the glare from the sun, but there is some more of that Dollar Tree silver garland. And then this tree is our tree from last year. Okay, and then this tree is, I believe, a 7-foot tree from Walmart. We got it a few years back. The tree skirt is another one of those big scarves from the dollar spot at Target. We have a lot of really cute wreaths. This one says all of our names. This one is a really pretty mermaid. It was for Adriana. We have the Mr. and Mrs. Right Done ones. I even have, this was just me and Lou. We had gotten them like every year. I think I have a really cute Sally one, another mermaid. Jack is around here somewhere. But yeah, so that's that. These I showed, I don't know if I showed them in a video or just on my Facebook, but they are really cute. Snowmen made of wood. I'll link the girl who made them for me. For the 3 of them was only $20, so I thought that was a great deal. And they are super cute. Over here, this is, well, it's my mom's Dollar Tree, and the Dollar Tree, and then, oh my god, stop it. He sees you when you're drinking coasters. They're these cute, like, palette looking ones, and then a Jingle Till You Tingle. They were from Home Goods. That little house back there was my mom's. And then these 3 fish, we got this down at Wildwood. We went to the boardwalk over the summer, and we found that in a shop. I thought that was super cute. So, and then we have this table here. I believe this is from Ashley's. Our friend gave us their couches. They were getting new couches, and they were, in better condition than the other couches we had, and we just didn't want to buy new couches because of the dogs. They kind of just ruin everything. So yeah, they gave us this table as well. The blanket down there is from Aldi, actually. It was like $12. It's a pretty nice one. And then the candles are from Dollar Tree. The little countdown is also my mom's. She gave us so much decoration. She just doesn't decorate as much anymore. So we've had them for like ever. The Christmas tree is from Dollar Tree. And then this lantern is from Aldi. And then I filled it with a few pine cones, so it smells really good. I thought that was cute. This is one of the couches. The couches are from Ashley Furniture, I believe. I don't know if I said that. But the reindeer pillow back here, it came in a 2-pack for $10. It was a doorbuster from AC Moore. I don't know if they have them anymore. I know it's not that price, but... And then my girlfriend gave me this Joy pillow for my birthday. And then on our big couch, we have that other reindeer pillow. And I got Merry and Bright as a 2-pack. I don't know if you could tell, but like, look at all of the dog hair. This is why we can't have nice things. And I literally, like, we just cleaned it because you can take them off the pillowcases and wash them, but oh my gosh, the dog hair just gets embedded in everything. Okay, and then the nightstand, or not nightstand, the table over here, I have the light up tea, which I got from AC Moore. Another one of those trees from Dollar Tree. Another one of those candle stands. And then another Jingle Till You Tingle. And then some cute little snowmen and Santa. And then one of our wedding pictures with our groomsmen and bridesmaids. That's super cute. So yeah, that is our little living room setup. Not too crazy. Alright, now we're going into our other family room. So the first thing is this huge 9.5 foot tree. It's pretty much all decorated from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, everything is from the Dollar Tree. The tree itself is actually from Hobby Lobby. They were half off. And it came with, has these pine cones like on it. And it was really easy to put together. We just have a few of these really cute, these are from Dollar Tree, the little holly berries, and these ones are sparkly. Have them in red and silver, and then there's also like plain non-sparkled, and a few different kinds of like candy cane tinsel and some silver tinsel. I thought they were adorable and they would go. And then I also got these little stockings from Dollar Tree. That one is for Piggy, our guinea pig, and then for Hero and Baby. Just thought they were cute. We'll just put, some dog treats in there. These are their advent calendars from Aldi. So they had dog ones that were Omega snacks. They are salmon and sweet potato. And then like the one I got for Adriana is just premium chocolates with some milky fillings. She loves them. And then the garland that's on here, this is from Michael's. This is from Hobby Lobby. The Grinch Street sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then these 3 stockings are for us, and I got them at Hobby Lobby. And I also got one of these trees from Hobby Lobby. And then above here, those 4 miniatures are from Dollar Tree. The Grinch sign is from Hobby Lobby. And those 3 cones up there are from AC Moore. And then I put a little bit of holly from the Dollar Tree. And that snowflake sign is from the Dollar Tree as well. And then it's all of our toys that we leave down here. And then on our couch, we have this cute dog Christmas pillow, Christmas blanket from, I think I got it at Home Goods. And then these pillows, I have 2 of them. They were part of that same doorbuster deal from AC Moore with the 2-pack for $10. And then we have her Grinch Build-A-Bear that we got her last year. And then this this wreath I mentioned in, I think it was my Day in the Life video. This is from Aldi. It was $9.99, so I thought that was a good deal, and it just came out pretty cute. This gather sign is from AC Moore. They just have some really great stuff. Merry Grinchmas pillow was also from Hobby Lobby. They had just ton of Grinch stuff. Here's my child. And then right here, this tree is actually from Marshall's. And then the big tree, this is the same one that is on the fireplace mantle that didn't have any decorations on it, from Hobby Lobby. And then Hobby Lobby also had like the mini ornaments. And then the Dollar Tree had this mini star, so I thought that was really cute. So yeah, this is, oh, that is a little blankie, little Christmas blanket we have. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. Nice and fun for her, some fun bright colors, because she's always in this room. So yeah, that is our family room. Alright, now we're in our guest bathroom. Sorry if you hear a loud noise, but the vent always goes on when you turn the light on. So yeah, this is just decorated, kind of like, you know, some ocean theme. I think we got this as a set before together from Christmas tree shop. So on top of here, I have the little basket that I kind of went over in a few of my videos. And I have this cute little Let It Snow sign from Dollar Tree. I even have the little hand towel, Let It Snow from Dollar Tree. And then on here, I got the peppermint swirl lotion and the sugar candy soap from AC Moore. This candle over here, I thought it went so well. It's red and white from Dollar Tree. And then on this side, I have this little tree. It is green. I don't know if you can tell. It is from the dollar spot at Target. And then I put some of those peppermint candies at the bottom, just on this little tray here. I thought that would be cute. Mommy. All right, next we're gonna do the dining room area. Over here is a cute little sign, Love Builds a Happy Home, from Right Done, our bananas, and a little placemat. And then here is our dining room set. It is from Bob's Furniture, so is that tall buffet. So for our dining room table, I just have some simple red and green placemats with silver and wood chargers. These little trays are all from Dollar Tree. Pretty much everything here is from Dollar Tree. Mommy, and we do have the bench on this side, which Mommy, I really like. Look. Okay, baby. On this one chair here, I have this pillow that says Merry and Bright, and this blanket. Both are from Aldi. Thought they were really cute. And then on the buffet here, this little setup with these little ceramic houses and the Nutcracker are older. They're my mom's. These two and those two little cups are from Dollar Tree. This I thought was just adorable. The spoon, fork, and knife right on. I've had that forever now. And I just added two of the little trees from the 3-pack from the dollar spot at Target. And then this is my little tiered tray over here. I stuck with the peppermint theme, so I did more of that tinsel. And then I have the other wine glass, this cute little candy cane. Pardon my nails, I need to paint them. Candy cane ornament. And then I bought these. It came in a pack of 6 in the plasticware. It's like dessert. And I put those transfers on it, and I did a ho ho ho. So I thought that was cute, and I filled them with the glittery pom-poms from Dollar Tree. Actually, I think this whole thing is from Dollar Tree. Yep, whole thing except the tray. The tray itself is from Hobby Lobby. So I did another one of those candy cane trees, the gingerbread, and the snowman, and those holographic paper straws. I just thought that was really cute. So yeah, I love how that little setup is, and I can even add, what I like to do is add like some plastic cutlery that is like green and red, so I'll probably add that. And then down here, I decided to just leave them as is. These are those canisters that I found at Dollar General in that haul. I'll link that haul above in the card. And then this is also from Dollar Tree. And then I added the transfers to say snow. And I thought that was just like really cute. I was testing the transfers on like everything. So yeah, that is how my little dining room came out. Thought that came out really cute so far. Didn't really do too much. We don't really eat in here, and I don't know what we're doing for Christmas if we're having people here and what that setup will look like. All right, and then the next is gonna be, the next and last spot downstairs that we're gonna do is gonna be the kitchen. All right, and moving on over to our kitchen. Oh, I forgot to show you, I do have a little bit of tinsel garland up there. Moving on to our kitchen. This is a quick little overview of our cocoa bar. I will link the video below where I go over like what everything is that's on there. This first towel over here is so cute. It came in a set with that one from Aldi. I know the light is super bright, but I also have another garland up there. And then I have this cute little penguin guy from the Dollar Tree, like the snowman. And then my Iowa pine scent, Mrs. Myers. And I have that third tree that was over on the fork, spoon and knife. And my little keep tray if anyone needs to take like their rings off when they wash their hands. Oh, this, it lights up green. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I just thought that was a cute little decoration. And then over here, we have this cute little setup. The tree back there is from the Dollar Spot, and then Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree. Redone. Our realtor is also my husband's friend. He bought us this for when we got our house. And this over here, I thought the milk with like the gingerbread cookies and the little gingerbread house would be like really cute together. And then there's the blue, the dark blue tree from Dollar Spot. And then on our table over here, now if you want me to link the table, I think this was from Ashley, not 100%. But I have more of those wood chargers, and then these placemats were from Aldi. This, let me take the pie off. This adorable cake stand is right done. And then we have the cute Merry and Bright sign that matches the pillow and blanket that was in my dining room from Aldi. On this side, we have one of those Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. I usually have a towel here, but my husband made bacon yesterday and it went all over the towel, so I'm so upset right now, and I hope I can get that out. This is like one of my favorite candles. It's the warm apple pie from Walmart. Then I have one of these little trays. My little bake container. This sign is from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was really cute. And then two other trees from the Dollar Spot and the Dollar Tree. That is pretty much what is in my kitchen. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked this tour. Let me know below what you liked the most, or what room you liked the most, or link a video if you want me to see any of your videos or someone else's that you really, really like. I love Meg's and Brianna Kay's so far. They did a really good job. So yeah, that's another day of Vlogmas, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.